But I was just looking around to see if there's anything available that was used, and BJ from Connecticut, thank you BJ, he actually sent me this exhaust completely free. I just paid for the shipping. So I've been an NSX owner for a little less than a year, but NSX community, everybody in NSX Prime, man, good community, and everybody's super helpful. I love this car, and I can't wait to see what this sounds like. So let's get some clips and let's hear it. Exhaust sounds really good, doesn't drone too much inside the cabin, but it's just enough noise. I think I may have wanted it a little bit louder, but for now it'll do. It sounds best too in the 5-6K range right when you hit that VTEC, so maybe I'll upload some of those. Thanks.